Pour this over your black clothes. If you want them to look new and not faded, try this trick. It costs just a few cents, yet gives results comparable to expensive liquids. Simply put about 3 tablespoons of coffee into a cup or small pot. Thanks to its natural pigmentation, coffee has dyeing properties. Pour boiling water over the coffee. Place your black clothes in a bowl or sink, then pour the prepared coffee over them. It's safe for most fabrics and doesn't contain chemicals that could damage the material. Leave the clothes in the coffee mixture for about 30 minutes. The coffee acts as a natural fabric dye, enhancing the depth of black, especially for fabrics that have started to fade. You'll notice your clothes are in better condition after just one soak. The more frequently you soak them in coffee, the longer they'll stay in good condition. This is an excellent solution for those looking for natural methods to care for their dark clothes. A regular washing machine can also dry clothes. Every washing machine has such a function. The laundry can be dry, like after taking it out of the dryer. If you haven't used this function yet, it's high time to start. However, you don't always have to use it. Traditional air drying of laundry also has its advantages if done correctly. Before learning how to dry laundry in the washing machine, see how to air dry clothes properly at home. If you position the drying rack parallel to the radiator, hang shorter garments closest to it. Hang longer items on the next bars. On the last ones, hang the longest or largest items. This way, the warm air from the radiator will gradually reach each piece. When you set the drying rack with its shorter side facing the radiator, hang the longest and largest clothes on the middle bars. The outer ones should have shorter items. This arrangement helps clothes dry better. For the next method, you'll need a bed sheet. Hang your clothes with the shortest items facing the radiator. Cover the entire drying rack, including the radiator, with the bed sheet. This makeshift tent will speed up the drying process. Another way to dry clothes faster involves using a towel. Lay the item you want to dry quickly on a towel. The towel should be dry. Roll the clothing with the towel and wring it well. Unroll it, and the clothing will be much drier. Often it's enough to just iron it, and it's ready. Let us know which city you're watching us from. It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. Do your laundry, but don't take out the clothes immediately. Instead, add a regular towel to the drum. It should be fluffy. If you have space in the washing machine, you can even add 2. Now just set the washing machine to spin, preferably at the highest speed. Dry towels will absorb all the moisture from the clothes. After the washing cycle is complete, the laundry will be as if it came out of the dryer. If you want dry clothes, set the spin to the highest speed already in the washing cycle. Subsequent spins with dry towels will be even more effective. Add this to your dirty laundry, and the results will surprise you. That dazzling white wash you've been dreaming of is within reach. Use this trick, and your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness. Here's how to do it. You only need one ingredient, a common spice. I'm talking about plain black pepper. Pepper acts as a gentle abrasive and helps remove detergent residue that causes a grayish tint. Simply add a teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the washing machine drum during your next wash. Wash your white laundry as usual. Clothes washed with pepper will regain their bright white color. Add it to the drum every time you wash towels, bed linens, or white clothes. After washing, you'll notice a difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. This trick will transform your laundry in a minute. First, prepare a container. Remove the moist wipes from the package and place them inside. Pour fabric softener over them. The softener protects fibers, softens fabrics, and adds a wonderful scent. Seal the container tightly. Place the finished wipes into the washer or dryer. Don't buy expensive scented laundry sheets from the store. You can make them yourself for less and in exactly the fragrance you love. You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white. I got rid of all my fabric softeners. I replaced them with this homemade natural one. Regular softeners often stay on the fabric, can irritate your skin, and have very strong scents. Making your own is incredibly simple. Grab a tall jar and some lavender. It's a super versatile plant, and you can buy it in 2 common forms: dried sprigs with flowers, or just dried lavender buds, already separated from the stems and ready to use. Both versions smell intense, and the fragrance lasts a long time, which is why lavender is used so often around the house. Chop the lavender and add it to the jar. Now take vinegar. It helps soften fabrics, neutralizes bad odors, and keeps laundry feeling fresh. Pour the vinegar over the lavender, close the jar, and set it aside for a few days. After that, the liquid will turn a beautiful color and start smelling amazing. Prepare a second tall jar and a strainer. Strain everything so you're left with a clean, clear liquid. And that's it. Your homemade lavender fabric softener is ready. Open the detergent drawer in your washing machine and pour a little into the softener compartment. You don't need much. Then wash as usual. Lavender leaves a subtle, beautiful scent, and the vinegar softens and refreshes the fabric. This homemade softener works great for bedding, towels, and everyday clothes. Most importantly, it's gentle on the skin. No unnecessary chemicals, so nothing itches and nothing irritates. Add this ingredient to your laundry, and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products.